I bought a fire alarm device not yesterday even. I've ordered off eBay. Why not get this one? It's very interesting on these sides. Yeah, I made the hole in there so I can put my wires through. You know, there's the hole. You know, the key how it works. I'll push it in. You know, twist it and I'll do that. Yep, it really works well. You know, this is glass, but you know, just go on the inside of it. You know, inside how it works on the inside. I was gonna say, when the glass is broken, it releases that. The test key goes in there, and that bit pops down, and then I'll put it down like that. You know, this is how it works. You know, to get the glass in, you know, it's quite good. It's got some effort. It's easy to put in. It just takes some effort. You know, also, you know how it works. You know, this is, this is a cool point, but you know, I won't be setting anything off when I break the glass in this one. I'm just gonna get another one. I'll just get another one. Also, hang on. I'll put another, an Alibaba one back in, the black one in the other corner. Hang on a sec. Bear with me. I think I'll better off with that glass I'm putting in. The Alibaba, put the black one in because it looks better. And hang on a sec. The back, here we are. Let me just undo. Get the glass in that I want to. I don't want to break this one because it's my best one. Hang on a sec, bear with me. We'll be like that. I was gonna say, the Alibaba bars Novi secret. I know. This is, this one how it works. It works exactly the same. Yeah, put the glass in, then when I break the glass, now here it goes. I'm gonna put it in alarm mode. Yes. That would be in alarm mode. Yes. That would be in alarm mode. That would be. Yes. And see that switch? It's down. Because when you break the glass, it releases a switch. Yes, it does. And also, on this